At Allevenheim Municipal Water District, it's our job to make sure that you don't ever have to worry about clean, reliable water getting to your tap 24/7. We've all seen news coverage of water pipe breaks in communities throughout San Diego. Nobody wants this experience in their neighborhood. To avoid this, we do this. Our district serves customers in northern San Diego County. That's a 48-mile area with over 500 miles of pipeline that we regularly maintain. As part of our rigorous maintenance program, our team is regularly testing equipment, assessing infrastructure, and inspecting pipelines. You probably see us out there and wonder what we're doing. Here's a closer look into our water world. The pipes that bring you water each and every day are subject to extreme environments, including high pressure and shifting or corrosive soil. Unmonitored pipelines that silently reach the end of their useful life can cause big issues in your neighborhood. OMWD uses technology to inspect pipelines and ensure the reliability of water service to your home or business. This is our OMWD team in the field working on a pipeline condition assessment. Preventing breaks in the pipe keeps your water flowing. It also can prevent expensive flooding and property damage in our community, saving you money. This is just one way Allevenheim Municipal Water District is delivering pure excellence to our customers every single day. So next time you see us out in the field, you can cross safe and reliable water service off your list of things to worry about. That's our job, and we're proud to do it each and every day. Visit allevenheim.com for more information today.